而这个看不清到底什么颜色蓝黑洋装，前一阵倒是网络上的热门商品，而且这种热潮也给了反家暴团体一个新的广告灵感。不是当时说有过半数的人看不清到底是白金蓝黑吗？现在这广告就要问，为什么要看到蓝黑，要看到乌青，这么困难？
这件洋装的颜色在全球引起热烈讨论。
I thought it was white and gold. I thought it was black and blue.
有人说是黑，有人坚持是白。现在慈善团体PO了这张图，仔细看，模特儿的眼睛、大腿、全身乌青。在南非，有1/6的女人是家暴受害者。
We all enjoyed the idea that we could look at this dress and see different things, but I think to look at it again with new eyes and see this image that depicts somebody who is suffering domestic violence.
他们希望传递更多的讯息，让受暴妇女能够勇敢寻求协助。不仅是慈善团体搭上了这件洋装的顺风车，网络上更出现了超多的广告，有甜点、有披萨店等实体促销，还有更多是 观念宣传。
Companies that are set up to respond in social media are going to be the more successful ones.
时代不同了，脑筋也要转换。想要成功，不能只靠婉君。一件洋装就比砸大钱带来更大的广告效应。TVBS 新闻综合报道。